Today we're changing an idle air control valve. So what the idle air control valve does on the V6 Delica is basically gives you your high idle when the vehicle is cold, allows the vehicle to warm up, and then automatically brings the idle down as the engine temp comes up. Problem is when it's not working and the engine's cold, you have no high idle, and it just wants to stall like this. So first thing we need to do is gain access to the valve, which is right down here. Easy enough just to take the entire air box off. We'll undo the MAF there as well. Pop our clips back. Should have one more back here, I believe. Now we can lift the entire assembly up out of the way once we loosen this off. Just to remove our plug, just to press the clip on the back, and then gently walk the plug off. And now we can take the IAC off. So two 8mm bolts, one on the top, one on the bottom. Now this L400 has the 6G72 in it, so the part number we're going to need for this is MD628059T. Now we can take our new one, new O-ring, and put it back in place. And now, with any luck, so if your L400's having a hard time starting cold, check the idle air control valve. If you want to learn more, check out one of these other videos. Otherwise, get out in the shop and do something, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one.